We have just concluded our major national conference on maintaining safe practice, protecting patient care here in Croke Park on Friday the 4th of November. I think every one of the 250 plus people who attended today will look back and say this was a watershed conference where we were really told in very clear terms that nurses and midwives have to speak up and speak out to protect patient care and maintain safe practice. We had a very, very exhaustive critique of the experience of the Mid Staffordshire Health Trust in the United Kingdom, where from a finance perspective, a medical perspective and a nursing perspective, the shortcomings that were identified were detailed. What's been done to arrest those difficulties and how essential it is for nurses and midwives to speak out and to be a force for good on behalf of patients. We then also went through the fitness of practice procedures, reminding ourselves again of the fact that nurses and midwives are not only employees but they're registered professionals with a duty of care to the public. And then finally we had a very thought-provoking contribution on how we make leaders of ourselves, from the leader within. And then finally we had closing remarks from the Chief Medical Officer, Tony Holohan, wanting us to work and continue to work in partnership. So I think, summing up the day, I'd like to think that people went away realising that while the mountain is high and the journey is difficult, there is no other option but to continue to highlight what's required for safe practice and safe care. And all of us attending today were re-energised that what we're doing is right, that we cannot be silent, and that essentially nurses and midwives, their central focus is to make sure all needs of the patient are met and to be an advocate for the patients. That was reinforced today, and I believe everybody found it a most worthwhile conference.